Hey there folks, welcome to another episode of A Taste of Summer. Ever bitten into a perfectly ripe lychee? That first bite is like a burst of tropical sunshine in your mouth. That burst of sweet, juicy flavor just screams summertime. It's a sensation that instantly transports you to a sun-drenched paradise. It's like a little taste of sunshine, a reminder of warm days and cool breezes. Today we're getting our hands dirty, learning about the journey of these amazing fruits. From the moment they are carefully picked by skilled hands, to the time they make their way to your local market, it's a fascinating process. Each step is crucial in preserving the lychee's delicate flavor and texture. Trust me, after this, you'll never look at a lychee the same way. You'll appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into every single fruit. Lychee orchards are something special. These lush green landscapes are a sight to behold, especially when the trees are heavy with ripe red fruit. Imagine walking through rows of these beautiful trees. The experience is almost magical, with the sun filtering through the leaves and the air filled with the scent of lychees. The air is filled with the sweet smell of ripe fruit. It's an aroma that tantalizes your senses and makes your mouth water. The ground is scattered with bright red lychees just waiting to be picked. Each one is a little gem, bursting with flavor and ready to be enjoyed. After harvesting, the lychees are carefully sorted and packed. This ensures that only the best quality fruits make it to your table. At the market, these lychees catch the eye with their vibrant color and enticing aroma. Shoppers can't resist picking up a few to take home, and when you finally get to enjoy them at home, it's a moment of pure bliss. Whether you're peeling them for a snack or adding them to a dish, lychees bring a touch of summer to every bite. So next time you bite into a lychee, remember the journey it took to get to you. From the orchard to your table, it's a story of nature's bounty and human dedication. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep savoring those summer flavors. Lychees have been enjoyed for centuries. These small red fruits have a history as rich and vibrant as their flavor. They originated in southern China, you know. The region's warm climate and fertile soil provided the perfect environment for these trees to thrive. For generations, people have prized these little fruits for their unique flavor and refreshing taste. Families would gather during the harvest season, sharing stories and enjoying the bounty of nature. It's no wonder they've become popular all over the world. Think about it, from Asia to the Americas, lychees have found their way into the hearts and kitchens of many. From ancient emperors to modern families, the lychee has always held a special place at the table. Historical records show that Chinese emperors would have lychees delivered to their palaces as a symbol of luxury and opulence. And why not? They're delicious. The sweet, juicy flesh of the lychee is a treat for the senses, making it a favorite for both young and old. They can be enjoyed fresh, dried, or even candied. Each form offers a different experience, but all are equally delightful, or even used in drinks and desserts. Talk about versatility. From lychee martinis to lychee sorbets, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking to add a touch of exotic flavor to your cocktail, or a sweet twist to your dessert, lychees are the perfect choice. The journey of the lychee from ancient trees to modern tables is a testament to its enduring appeal. Its delicate flowers bloom each year, promising another season of delicious fruit. As we continue to cultivate and enjoy lychees, we are not just savoring a fruit but also preserving a piece of history and tradition. So next time you bite into a lychee, remember the journey it has taken to reach you. From ancient Chinese orchards to your modern dining table, the lychee remains a beloved fruit, cherished for its taste, versatility, and rich heritage. Growing lychees is hard work. It's not just about planting a tree and waiting for it to bear fruit. The process is intricate and requires a deep understanding of the plant's needs and the environment it thrives in. It takes dedication and a whole lot of patience. Farmers often spend years perfecting their techniques, learning from each season and adapting to the ever-changing climate conditions. Farmers carefully monitor their orchards throughout the year, making sure the trees are healthy and strong. This involves regular inspections to check for any signs of disease or pest infestations that could harm the crop. They check the soil, the leaves, everything. Soil quality is crucial for the growth of lychee trees. Farmers often test the soil to ensure it has the right nutrients and pH levels. These folks have a keen eye for detail. They can tell if a tree is healthy just by looking at the color and texture of the leaves. They know when to water, when to prune, and when to let nature take its course. The timing of the harvest is crucial. Farmers must be vigilant, as the window for harvesting lychees at their peak is very narrow. lychees need to be picked at the peak of ripeness. This is when they are the sweetest and juiciest, offering the best flavor and texture. This ensures the best possible flavor and texture. Freshly picked lychees are a delight with their vibrant color and succulent taste. Too early, and they'll be sour. Unripe lychees lack the sweetness and can be quite tart, making them less enjoyable to eat. Too late, and they might spoil. Overripe lychees can become mushy and lose their appealing texture, sometimes even fermenting on the tree. It's all about finding that sweet spot. The perfect lychee is a result of careful planning, constant vigilance, and a bit of nature's magic. Farmers take pride in their ability to deliver the best lychees to the market, ensuring that each fruit is a testament to their hard work and dedication. Harvesting lychees is a delicate process. It's not about just ripping them off the branches. These fruits are delicate, and rough handling can bruise them. Farmers and workers carefully handpick each lychee cluster. They use special clippers to avoid damaging the fruit or the tree. It's a slow and steady process, but it's the only way to guarantee the lychees arrive at the market in perfect condition. These folks are pros. Section 5. Separating the gems. Once the lychees are picked, the sorting begins. Workers carefully remove any damaged or unripe fruits. They separate the lychees by size and quality, ensuring that only the best ones make it to the next stage. It's like a treasure hunt, separating the gems from the rest. This process takes a keen eye and a deft hand. It's all about delivering the highest quality fruit to the consumer. Now that's dedication. Section 6. A refreshing bath. After sorting, the lychees get a refreshing bath. They're gently washed to remove any dirt or debris. This step is crucial for maintaining hygiene and ensuring the fruit is safe to eat. Imagine a gentle rain shower, cleansing and refreshing the fruit. Cleanliness is key when it comes to food. These folks take pride in delivering a product that's not only delicious but also safe and healthy. Section 7. Packed with care, ready to travel. Now it's time to get these lychees ready for their journey. They're carefully packed into baskets or crates lined with protective materials to prevent bruising during transportation. Think of it like tucking them in for a long trip. Proper packing is essential to ensure the lychees arrive at their destination in pristine condition. It's all about protecting that delicate flavor and texture. Section 8. Finding their way. The packed lychees are loaded onto trucks, carefully stacked to avoid damage. They begin their journey to markets and processing units, where they'll be distributed to eager consumers. It's like a well-orchestrated dance, getting the lychees from the farm to your table. The logistics are impressive, ensuring a steady supply of these delicious fruits. It's a team effort, that's for sure. Section 9. A feast for the eyes. Finally, the lychees arrive at the market. They're piled high, a vibrant display of red and green. The sweet aroma fills the air, enticing customers to come closer and take a look. It's a feast for the eyes. The sight of these plump, juicy lychees is enough to make your mouth water. And the taste? Well, that's the real reward for all the hard work that went into getting them there. Section 10. Enjoy the sweet reward. So next time you bite into a juicy lychee, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to you. From the farmer's careful tending of the trees to the delicate handpicking and packing, it's a labor of love. By supporting local farmers and choosing fresh produce, you're not just enjoying a delicious treat, you're also contributing to a sustainable food system, and that's something worth savoring. Enjoy every bite.